Impeccable Skin Face Moisturizing Sunscreen. So this is also tinted and it has broad spectrum SPF 30 to protect your skin from UV rays. So these come in different colors because it is tinted. So this color is buff, and I'm going to be using it for the first time with all of you. So I'm going to put it on my hand first to see what color it is. It says color buff, and I'm not sure what that is, but it's the color I chose because you're able to choose your own color in the GoodBeing box, which this was part of. So as you see, you only really need a little bit. So for your face, they recommend about a nickel size amount. I'm just going to put a little dab on there. So we'll see how it kind of matches my skin tone. But you really want to kind of like dab it on. But you could also apply it with the makeup sponge or like a buffing brush kind of thing if you want. But I'm just going to dab it in. And it kind of matches my skin tone. So that's kind of cool. So it's going to protect my skin from sun damage, but also has good skincare ingredients, skin enhancing ingredients, and also the makeup part of it. So it's kind of multitasking awesomeness. But yeah, it feels really good. It's nice and soft. It's not like sticky or greasy. Doesn't have any smell to it. And so far from what I can tell, it matches my skin tone. So that's always a plus, because you never know, you know, when you try to order kind of like makeup type things online if it's gonna match or not. But it looks like got kind of like medium coverage in terms of makeup quality. But yeah, definitely I recommend you try this, and I got this in the GoodBeing box, and you can see my full unboxing video down below.